In this video we will learn how to zoom in or out the web page in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome and here open the web page. So I open the latest news, the Hindustan Times. So I open here the web page. Okay, so web page is open. Now I am going to use the zoom in and zoom out to option. So go to this three dot, just click on this three dot, okay, and you can see the Google Chrome menu, and here the one option zoom also available, and you can see the default zoom is showing the 100%, and if you want to zoom in, just click on the plus sign, zoom out, click on the minus sign. So just click on the plus sign to make text larger, just click on the plus sign, the text is showing the larger. Same as click on the minus sign, the make text smaller. So here you can see when you click on the minus sign, the make text is smaller, is zoom out. Okay, same as here I show you this shortcut way you can also zoom in and zoom out. Use the shortcut key of keyboard, press the control key of the keyboard plus the mouse scroll key. So I just scroll and press the control key, and with mouse scroll key you can see here the percentage showing 70% is zoom, and if you want to reset, just click on the reset option, the 100% is default showing. Again click on the zoom in and zoom out, and here you can see 125% is zoom in. Okay, just click on the reset, the 100% is default set. So this is a way you can zoom in or zoom out in web page. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.